Hi, this is Nicole with Adaptation Station, and this is a product preview of one of my weekly thematic packs. This pack is a Christmas pack, but this same information applies to all weekly packs. My background is I'm a special education teacher in a class of students with autism grades 3 through 5 with a huge range of abilities. I wanted a pack that covered reading, math, and literacy concepts and had fun activities that range from a pre-K to a second grade academic level. That's why I created this. This pack is accessible for non-riders, and I'll walk you through all the things that you get. So for hands-on materials, you'll get 5 sets of clip cards, beginning sounds, ending sounds, counting, yes, no, and matching. For the receptive language task, I have videos on how to set this up. This is great for expanding language with your nonverbal students. You'll get 7 file folders, errorless, sorting, and matching. You'll get 2 adapted books. The first level just teaches them the basic vocabulary. The second level goes more in depth with that vocabulary. You get 10 bingo cards. You get an interactive money board. I like to laminate this and have students use real coins and a dry erase marker to complete it. You get 3 sets of task cards. There is matching, big to small, and matching picture to word. The last hands-on material is a tracing book. I like to laminate this and have students use dry erase markers. I've also printed it off as well. There are lines to trace and vocabulary words. That's all for the hands-on materials. Moving into reading, there are 2 levels of alphabet. Level 1 is working on coloring, tracing, color by code, tracing lines to match, and then matching letters with a cut and sort. Level 2 has them make flashcards. There's more tracing, there's trace and copy, there's drawing their own lines to match, and sorting. You're going to see these same activities applied to the sight words. I always include pre-primer sight words, primer sight words, and first grade sight words. So you'll get 2 levels for each of those 3 sets of sight words. You'll get 4 levels of readers. So level A is just introducing them to the basic vocabulary. Level B includes a color. I love to have students follow directions. So this is a Christmas tree, color it green. Level C includes a descriptor. So the Christmas tree has needles. And then level D is going to provide a fact for them. So the Christmas tree has ornaments. There's comprehension that goes along with the readers, also leveled. It includes coloring by code, matching, sorting, labeling. There is written comprehension, picture comprehension. As we go on, there are labeling the different vocabulary terms, open-ended comprehension, riddles, compare, contrast, open-ended questions, lots of options in the comprehension. For ABC order, there are 2 levels. Level 1 already has it in alphabetical order. They're just matching. Level 2 takes that cue away. And for vocabulary, there are 3 levels. Level 1 is having them color the word and the matching definition, tracing the word, matching, cut and paste to fill out the sentence, and coloring. Level B has them make vocabulary flashcards, sorting the words, matching definition to the word, finding the sentence that uses the word correctly, and matching the picture. Level C has them make their own flashcards, write it 3 times, write the word in the definition, use the word in a sentence, and draw a picture. That is all for the reading. Moving into the writing, there's a cut and paste graphic organizer journal similar to the other ones I sell in my store. Students use the picture to fill out the graphic organizer and the tracing supports to complete a prompt. For students who can write independently, there are 3 levels of journal. Level A has a sentence framework that they're going to copy. Level B just has keywords that they need to use. And Level C just gives them the topic. There's also a mini research project. This sheet tells them what research is. They can use this sheet to brainstorm and then write their mini research project on any Christmas-related topic that they choose. Moving into math, there is counting math. So this one is counting the coins, and they're going to write in the value. There's also cut and paste options. This one is time and graph. So there are cut and paste options and then options where they just write. For graphing, there's inserting data, there's analyzing with cut and paste options, there's analyzing with options to circle, and analyzing with writing out the answer. There is counting with cut and paste with the answer cue already there, and then with it taken away. There's also counting with a circle the number that corresponds. Same concept for patterning. There's an answer there for the first level. It takes the answer away for the second level, or you can have them circle what comes next in the pattern. There's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There is cut and paste, and then you're going to see those same worksheets again. where they're going to write in their answers. There's word problems, so cut and paste answers, and then it takes away that option. Fractions, so the first level is matching the fraction, the second level is matching the written fraction to the picture, the third level is writing the fraction name, and the fourth level is adding identical fractions. And then for the mixed math, they're working on shapes, money identification, tens, frame counting, and telling time. This is level 1. Level 2 takes those answers away. Last thing that you get in a weekly pack are fun activities. I love using these error listings to enhance communication. I use them as cut and paste art projects. We'll do sequencing, coloring, lots of great things with these sheets. You always get 4 sets of visual directions. So visual directions has 1 page with the directions, any templates you might need, 2 levels of a response card, including tracing versions for non-writers, a sequencing board if that helps your students access, and then a supply sheet where it tells you what you need and an explanation. So you get a craft, this one is making a gingerbread man. You get a snack, this one is reindeer cookie or reindeer cracker. You'll get a sensory activity, this one is a Christmas sensory bottle, and you'll get a science experiment, this one is melting candy canes. You'll also get social scenario cards, which are great for leading a social skills group, and then gross motor cards were just a fun way to get out of their seat and moving. I hope this preview helped you better determine if weekly packs are a right fit for your class. Feel free to reach out and ask me any questions.